Welcome to another episode of NES podcast, where we explore the ideas, innovations, and leaders shaping the future of the life science and digital transformation. Today, we are pleased to welcome once again our very good friend and partner, Nataliya Andreychuk, the founder and CEO of Viseven, a global martech company empowering pharma and life sciences organization with digital content, omni-channel solutions, and cutting-edge AI technologies. We divided these conversations into 4 interesting chapters, and we will release them every week. And episodes, since there are many burning questions on which pharma needs clear answers, clarity, and there is no better person than Nataliya to provide those answers. So let's start with the first questions, with the first chapter today. But before we do that, Nataliya, hope you're doing well.
Thank you, Dario. Thank you for such a great introduction. I do appreciate your invitation to the podcast, and I hope that my connection to the audience will bring value and will bring some answers.
Thank you, Nataliya. Always a great pleasure. So let's start with our first chapter, which is Beyond One Product, Building Pharma's Connected Ecosystem. So how do you see that particular case currently in pharma?
I think we have been in isolation, like in products-centric isolation for far too long. The world is changing, and this is not already about one product or one selling message. It's about the ecosystems built on the value we can deliver to our clients. So a part of us taking care about delivering the best product to pharma clients, we need to think of the connectivity of the entire end-to-end journey and value we can deliver to the clients. So saying that, the time when we were rather competing than connecting, I think is over. And while we are thinking about valuable clouds, communication, partnership, collaboration, integrations, connections, our value we are bringing for pharma is depending on this, on the definition of the successful cloud ecosystem, which is connected and delivering value to the client. So to be not too abstract, let us go to the content creation space, right, where we are operating. So imagine then in the past, in the very beginning, our product is 15 years on the market, Viseven. We have been creating the content offering tool just to make a change, create something, so connect to some channels, and that's it. And with the time, we understood that the ecosystem is so important, like that this connectivity is bringing even more value than this content offering of the editor on its own. So, because there are the different angles of how this product and end-to-end journey can be used. There are agencies, partners, there are other freelancers like marketeers, designers who can be using the product, and for them it's very important that there is an access to the compliant digital asset management tool, to the databases. There is a migration mechanism, there is a conversion, there is a possibility to test the content, to understand whenever you have any mistakes, whenever this content to be compliant or not, to make sure it is reusable and it is connected to the marketing system and it gives some data on its own. I'm not even touching the innovation and connectivity with AI agents and making sure AI agents are accelerating all of that. But look at this journey I already mentioned. We need to search the content, we need to reuse it, we need to copy it, we need to annotate, we need to breathe. It's not only offering, it's not only localization or translation, there's an entire ecosystem. And yes, it is not always that one vendor can deliver all. And this is how the time is changing, so that we are building now not the product, one product, we are building the ecosystems. And very often our customers, even they want to internalize that, to have it internally. So then we are contributing directly into their system by integrating our products with their products, our AI agents with their agents, bringing them additional value and additional data. This is how the time is changing.
Thank you, Nataliya. Very interesting answer on our first episode and first chapter. Thank you so much, and see you next week with another very interesting question. So looking forward to it.
Thank you, Dario. I'm looking forward to that as well.